Here we have up next, we've got My Sherry Amour Designs by Sherry out of Mansfield, Texas. And you are welcome, Kara. So let's see here. This, I would say this shop banner here is a little, the bottom of your text is getting cut off. So I would just move that up a little bit so you can get the whole image there. And let's see, a towel cake. What is a towel cake? Towel cake, pink rose gold roses. Towel cake. Never heard of that. You learn something new every day. There's a towel inside. Oh, okay. There's a towel inside. Let's see, towel cake. Okay. So I guess I don't understand the concept too well, but if there's a towel inside, I'd like to see the towel. I don't know if that's like a big part of it. That I don't know if there's like a big part of it of the towel, like the reveal, and you get a towel with it. But I think a towel would be good to if they're supposed to take it apart or something to see the whole towel, then it'd be good to see that kind of process. Okay, so afterwards they take the towel out. So very cool. I like it. Pink, rose gold. I would also just add a few more additional keywords, such as, paper cake, or I don't know what else you could think. Paper cake. So paper cake gives you some ideas. Fox, baby shower for gift or heart, personalized, sage green. It's a way of gifting. So, yeah, I would recommend find some more keywords to help you kind of use that one. Paper cake, maybe gifting cake. I don't know, maybe right there, gifting cake brings me just all sorts of cakes. So who knows? Let's see. Anniversary paper cake. That's an idea there too. Let's see. Let's check out this diaper cake. Diaper cake, carriage, twin monkeys. Very funny, very cute. So are they cloth diapers? I think they're cloth diapers. Interesting. Man, look at that whole thing. Now, something else that might be good to see is so it's Pampers. Oh, so I guess it just comes with all these little hand towels on the bottom. So for something like this, you should use also additional keywords like baby shower gift, baby, new baby gift, newborn gift, baby shower gift, and any other kind of keywords related to that. Diaper gift, unique baby gift, and some others like that, because this would be great at a baby shower. They pop this out and I was like, oh my god, I can just see it now. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then they rip it apart and it's a bunch of diapers, so that's kind of funny. And then also just showing some photos of the diapers themselves. That way you've got an idea of what is inside of it, because people are probably going to be picky about that. You might want to just give them a preview so they see, okay, this is some Pamper diapers, it's some good stuff, it's high quality, or so on. And here we got a money cake. How in the world a money cake? Now that one's probably great. Real money, $225. That's all. Oh my! Now that's a deal. I'm literally gonna buy money from you. Theatrical money. So I guess it's only $100 worth of money. Price varies by cash type, theatrical for novelty, or real cash. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. What in the world are you doing, Sherry? You're selling a money cake. See, this one, I guess this is the one that gets me excited. Look at me. But I would recommend, first off, more photos to kind of show the whole idea of it. And, also a staging photo If you can, you could even stage it. You could even get a stock photo. So, if you got a stock photo of like for the baby cake, you could do a baby shower stock photo. And what you could do is you could put your crazy baby, your baby diaper cake right into the middle of it. Let's see, free images, baby shower. Right here. So maybe you could put your baby, the baby diaper cake in a room like this so they can get an idea in the context of it all. For the money cake, I don't know who gets a money cake. Maybe when somebody gets a promotion or they get a new job or they graduate from high school. If you could Photoshop that in there, that could look interesting too. But that one's great. I like this one. Um, I could give that to some friends. Look at this one, $80 money cake. My girlfriend would love it. She would be excited if I gave her a money cake. She'd be more excited about that than a cake. And she loves cake too. So roses, my gosh, you are creative, Sherry. This is too good. Roses of money. Roses of money. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if you have enough details about how much money they're actually going to get. I would make it really clear. If you want real cash, you can add 85 denomination dollar spaces. You choose ones, fives. You choose uh, ones, fives. Price will change higher than the ones. Example, cake base price plus $85 real cash, $850. Money cakes are made to order, can vary. Reach out and we'll create a special gift for you. If you choose any denominations above $1 bill of real cash, contact me directly before ordering. So yeah, maybe just explain custom order. You could literally put the drop downs where you could say $1 bills, $80, $5 bills, $400, $20 bills, or you could say a mix up of different bills. I think it's going to be unlikely a lot of people are going to just come in and buy a huge one. Maybe you could just put different value amounts so that you can mix it up. You could put some hundreds, some 20s, some ones. You could say, $80 worth of real money, $500 worth of real money, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, and so on. But interesting ideas, Sherry. I'm intrigued. I didn't realize I needed a money cake until right now. But I might be a customer.